do you worry about the J&J vaccine? I know this is a preliminary trial and hasn't been reviewed by peers, but how efficient is it compared to an mRNA or to an Astra-Oxford one?
Well, we look at two different things as we look at vaccine efficacy. One is we can take serum from vaccinated people, bring it to the laboratory, and assess how those antibodies react with variants. And this study sort of shows that the J&J vaccine is inducing slightly lower levels against the Delta variant. We also have to look in the real world and see what the disease rate is in people who are getting the J&J vaccine. And so far, the signatures in the real world are that the J&J vaccine is protecting against severe disease mediated by COVID-19. So I think the signs are good that the vaccine is going to protect against those very severe cases, but it's something to keep in mind as we go forward and as the discussion about boosters come together. Whether or not the J&J vaccine is a candidate for boosters could be a discussion point for the fall.
So is the J&J vaccine one that the administration, as it continues to push to get more people vaccinated, should be using, or should we be favoring the two-dose mRNA vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna's?
Yeah, the J&J has that advantage that it's a single shot. It doesn't have the cold chain issues that the mRNA vaccine does. It has the capability to be spread and used much more broadly and much more easily than the mRNA vaccines. So there is a place for the J&J vaccine in the COVID-19 vaccination program. I think as variants are emerging, we have to start having that discussion of, is it time to update the vaccines? Is it time to change the formulations at all to really match what's currently circulating? These vaccines were based on the viruses that circulated initially in the population. Things have changed dramatically from the virus side of things. So this may be a discussion now going forward into the fall about updating these.